Let's talk about what goes into making a great welcome basket for your guests. Let's face it, if you're having visitors, they've probably traveled a great distance to get to your home. Wouldn't it be nice if when they entered their guest room, there was a sweet welcome basket and some fresh water waiting for them? I like to place a tray out with some fresh flowers, the welcome basket of treats, and a fresh carafe of water. Depending on what you choose to put in your basket may depend on the guests that you're receiving. I like to use the rule of something sweet, something savory, and something salty. Single portion sizes of chips are perfect for a welcome basket. You may also want to include some local regional favorites that your guests may not be familiar with. Keep in mind that your guests may be coming from a different time zone, so it's very possible that they could get hungry at all hours of the evening when your kitchen isn't open for a meal. As I mentioned, I also like to use a fresh carafe of water. The beauty of this is that you can refill your carafe and it's eco-friendly green. Think of this process as just another way to make your guests feel welcome in your home. For more welcome basket ideas, you can visit our website at www.genrondesigns.com.